Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best magical guide is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a child. Magic is an enchanting world, and this guide opens the door to that world for kids aged 8 to 12. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity, build confidence, and have a whole lot of fun. Whether they dream of dazzling their friends or simply want to explore the mysteries of the art, this guide is the perfect starting point. Number 5. Learn and Climb Magic Kit for Kids. This magic kit has everything your little magician needs. They can learn and perform dozens of amazing tricks, including vanishing acts and more. Give the gift of fun with this Learn and Climb starter set. It's a fascinating and easy-to-learn magic kit, perfect for beginners. Instructional videos guide your child step by step. They'll learn how to perform sensational magic tricks in no time. This exciting kit provides hours of engaging learning. Your child will love performing dozens of entertaining tricks for the whole family. Try it risk-free with our 30-day return policy. Watch how proud they are as they amaze you with their new magic skills. Learn and Climb also has a larger 2-drawer magic set available. What we like. This kit is packed with over 50 amazing tricks, ensuring hours of entertainment. The step-by-step instructions make it easy for them to learn and perform. If you are looking for a kit that offers a wide variety of tricks and guarantees hours of fun, you should consider this one. What people say. The DVD it comes with is helpful in showing the tricks, how to do the tricks, and then there is a booklet that also has the instructions. It was easy to use and most of the tricks worked how they were supposed to. Number 4. GraceDuck Kids Magic Kit. This amazing magic kit is designed for kids aged 6 and up. It's filled with easy-to-learn tricks and high-quality props, so they can quickly start performing like a pro. With step-by-step instructions, your child will be amazing you in no time. They'll be able to perform incredible magic tricks and wow their friends and family. The kit includes a magician's hat, cloak, and gloves. They can dress up and feel like a real magician, ready to put on a show. This magic kit is the perfect gift for any child. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They'll love sharing their new skills with everyone. We offer a 30-day return policy, so you can try it risk-free. Let them explore the world of magic and have some fun. What we like. This magic set includes a magician's outfit, allowing them to fully embrace the role. The easy-to-follow instructions help them learn quickly and build confidence. If you like the idea of dressing up and performing magic, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The tricks are easy to learn and perform. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. It comes with everything you need to perform the tricks. Number 3. Science for You Magic Potions Kit for Kids. Unleash your inner wizard with this amazing kit. It includes everything you need to create magical potions, just like in your favorite fantasy stories. This kit will make you feel like a true potion master. Discover the secrets of glowing potions. With this kit, you can make potions that light up in the dark. It's a fun and exciting way to explore the magic of science. Explore a variety of magical effects. You can make bubbling cauldrons, color-changing potions, and even create your own lava lamp. The possibilities are endless with this kit. This kit comes with a magic cauldron, wand, potion bottles, and more. It includes all the materials you need to become a potion master. It's a complete set for any aspiring wizard. This kit combines magic, crafts, science, and education into one amazing experience. It's a fun way to learn about science while having a blast. It's the perfect gift for any child. This science kit is designed for kids aged 7 and up. It's a great way to introduce children to STEAM concepts. It's a gift that will spark their curiosity and imagination. Looking for a unique gift? This magic potion set is perfect for birthdays or Christmas. It's a gift that will be remembered and cherished. It's a magical experience they won't forget. What we like. This kit allows them to create their own magical potions with exciting experiments. Some potions even glow in the dark. If you are looking for a unique blend of magic, science, and education, you should consider this one. What people say. Family fun that will not disappoint. Super für mich 9 Jarge Tochter. Het schon Jeed Mensch Zaubertrank gemacht, Und macht seit über einem Jahr immer noch. Da ist jede Mensch zug dabei, damit sie sich richtig ausdeben kann. We love it. Perfect for Harry Potter lovers. Number 2. Skirfy Magic Kit, Magic Tricks for Kids. This magic kit includes over 70 tricks that are easy to learn. Kids can master them in minutes, including tricks like flattening the dice and making sponge rabbits appear. It's a great way to start exploring the world of magic. The kit comes with detailed instructions to help children learn independently. It encourages critical thinking and hands-on skills. You can even learn alongside your child, which enhances your emotional connection. Inspire your child's imagination and curiosity with this charming kit. It provides hours of entertainment and helps improve their concentration and hands-on skills. This magical journey will be a fun experience. Looking for a great gift? This magic kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and family gatherings. It's highly recommended for kids aged 6 to 12, boys and girls alike. This kit is made of high-quality materials with smooth edges for safety. The gameplay is simple, making it perfect for children and beginners. It's designed to be a safe and enjoyable experience. What we like? This kit offers over 70 tricks that are easy to master, perfect for beginners. It helps them develop critical thinking and hands-on skills. If you like a kit with high-quality materials and a wide variety of tricks, you should consider this one. What people say. This was fun for my grandson, but so many broke easily. Our 9-year-old has put on a show for all of his grandparents. It's full of magic tricks and fun. Number 1. GirlZone Fairy Potions Craft Kit for Girls. Introducing the GirlZone Fairy Potions Craft Kit. It's packed with everything needed to create enchanting potions. This kit is perfect for sparking imagination and creativity. Inside, discover special ingredients to make potions like butterfly wings water and unicorn dust. This allows you to bring fairy fantasies to life. Make your wishes come true with the potion kits. Learn to create potions of dreams, wisdom, happiness, and luck. Don't forget to wave the star wand. Immerse yourself in hours of screen-free fun with this magic potion kit. It encourages experimentation and role-playing. It also helps develop motor and cognitive skills. Master the art of potion making and store your creations in special containers. You'll also get a potion presentation box to display them. Give the gift of magic with this amazing potion set. It includes a booklet with easy-to-follow instructions. This is a fun and easy kit for any special occasion. What we like? This kit lets them create fairy potions and cast magical spells. It encourages creative play and imaginative fun. If you like the idea of a magical and creative experience, you should consider this one. What people say. She had a lot of fun creating potions. The included ideas gave her a lot to work with. The assortment of included ingredients is nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.